She's just sorting through them, stacking them where she wants them. How funny. Batiks. Batiks? Did she say batiks? 30s? More batiks? And more 30s? Yeah. Well, we won't be putting these away. Ta-da!
There's always going to be challenges, and with 7 kids in the family, it's really putting out one fire.
Ta-da!
But that's life, and as long as everybody's kind to each other and is loving to one another and treats one another.
Uh-oh. Did it come unfolded? Uh-oh. Ooh. Oh, is that a batik? Is that a batik? Oh.
Will make you look beautiful.
That's so cute.
I think with the ladies, it's like with any, new relationship. Just you gotta be yourself, though. That's all you can be. Who else can I be? I'm just me.
I had an 8 for me to test.
Our dachshund just would do that, yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Uh-oh. 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 What'd you get? A string. Got a little string. No, no.